In a disturbing escalation of political tensions in Masvingo, an accident involving the immediate past mayor, Advocate Colleen Maboke, and a vehicle belonging to ZANU-PF has left several injured, including the ZANU-PF youth chairman, Darlington Mandevu. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. The incident occurred last night along the Bikita-Masvingo highway near Mutendi Church, marking a concerning moment of violence amidst the already charged political atmosphere in Zimbabwe. Advocate Maboke, a notable opposition politician, was returning from his rural home near Nyika in Bikita with his wife Tariro Maboke and a relative when their car was sideswept by a ZANU-PF vehicle that had encroached into their lane. According to Maboke, the ZANU-PF vehicle, driven by individuals who appeared to be under the influence of alcohol, aggressively pursued and blocked their car, leading to a physical altercation where Maboke, his wife, and his relative were assaulted. The confrontation took a turn for the worst when Mandevu, the ZANU-PF youth chairman involved in the dispute, was seriously injured by an oncoming vehicle while allegedly standing in the middle of the road. Mandevu was reportedly taken to the hospital with several injuries suspected to include broken legs. The chaos did not end there. Another vehicle overturned in an attempt to avoid the scene, though the condition of its occupants remain unclear. Maboke's vehicle sustained minor damage and he reported the incident to the police in Masvingo. However, efforts to reach out to the police and Mandevu for comments have been unsuccessful. This incident not only highlights the dangerous levels of political animosity in the region, but also raises serious concerns about road safety and the rule of the law. The community awaits further details and hopes for a swift and just resolution to this alarming event. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.